village in Bangladesh, there lived a group of animals who were friends. They loved to play in the fields, swim in the river, and enjoy the bright sunshine. But one day, the skies turned dark, and rain began to pour heavily. It rained and rained for days without stopping. The rivers overflowed, and soon, the entire village was underwater. The animals were frightened. They didn't know what to do or where to go. The wise old elephant, who had seen many rainy seasons, gathered everyone and said, "We must stay together and find a safe place." But as they tried to find higher ground, the water kept rising. The animals saw houses floating away, trees getting submerged, and the fields where they once played, turning into a vast sea. One of the youngest animals, a little bunny, asked, "Why is the water rising so fast?" The elephant sighed and explained, "Far away, there is a big dam that controls the flow of water. When the dam opens too much, it sends a lot of water into our rivers, causing floods. But we must not lose hope. We will find a way to stay safe." As the animals moved forward, they saw people helping each other, sharing food, and guiding those in need. Even though the flood was scary, the villagers showed kindness and teamwork. The animals finally found a big tree that was still above the water. They climbed up and rested there. From the top of the tree, they saw the village below, covered in water. The little bunny, looking sad, said, "Will our village ever be the same?" The wise elephant smiled gently and said, "Yes, little one. After every storm comes the sunshine. The waters will go away, and the village will grow back even stronger. And we have learned an important lesson: no matter how tough things get, we must stay together, help each other, and never lose hope." As the days passed, the rain stopped, and the water slowly began to recede. The animals and villagers worked together to rebuild their homes, plant new trees, and restore their beautiful village. And whenever they looked at the big tree that saved them, they remembered the flood and the lessons of nature and kindness.
Water rising all around, our home is sinking underground. Tears of the river drown the sound of laughter.